Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in.
Apple is reportedly planning to release a new Apple TV 4K model in 2025. The upcoming Apple TV 4K 2025 is expected to feature several major upgrades. Here are the key features anticipated. Custom Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip. The new Apple TV 4K will replace the current Broadcom components with a custom-designed Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip from Apple. This aims to reduce costs and enhance connectivity within Apple's ecosystem. Faster A17 Bionic Chip. The new model is expected to be powered by the A17 Bionic Chip, providing a significant performance boost. Larger storage options. The 2025 Apple TV 4K is likely to offer storage options up to 128 GB. More compact design. This model is expected to have a smaller and more streamlined design compared to previous versions. Additional features. While not confirmed, there is speculation that the new Apple TV 4K could include Apple AI, built-in cameras, and gesture control capabilities. Release date. Although an official release date has not been announced, the new Apple TV 4K is expected to launch in 2025, possibly in the spring.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.